Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and these are your teasers for this week on Sibongile and the Dlaminis. On Monday the 2nd of December 2024, Nomfundo meets a handsome stranger who shows interest in her. Nobuhle receives a visit from Umkhize, and Phetheni opens up old wounds that forces her to act. Then on Tuesday the 3rd of December 2024, Jengaya tries to rekindle romance with Nomfundo, but she might be tired of being his mistress. As the Mbambo household joyously prepares for Samke and Vuma's lobola negotiations, a hidden guest lurks among them, out for vengeance. On Wednesday, the 4th of December 2024, Nobuhle shocks Sibongile when she reveals something Samke did in the past. Phetheni is shaken when she sees a foe in the most unlikely of places. Guys, it looks like it's going to be an interesting week. Shame Uvuma no Samke. Just when they thought, guys, they're about to live there happily ever after, I think ukuthi uPhetheni uzohlohla ulokhuzana, uzohlohla uNobuhle. Nobuhle is Usibongile's umamncane kaSibongile. So I think uPhetheni is going to convince uNobuhle to go and make a scene le Mbambo, and that whole thing kaSamke noVuma izophela nje 2 seconds wakhona uzophela. It's going to be interesting to see because Usamke Usibongile gets along with Usamke, so I know which Usibongile is going to be so hurt, you guys. But uPhetheni has an interesting foe. I don't know who that might be. I just hope the person that's her enemy is not the same guy that Unomfundo or that is into Unomfundo or something like that, because that's what's going to be very interesting. Anyway, guys, tell me your thoughts and your expectations. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.